Hey guys, it's me, Donna, your Pampered Chef, and I wanted to show you a couple of things today. So basically the main reason for this video is that I'm going to be cutting the membrane off of my baby back ribs, but I wanted to show you how easy it was to take my indoor grill pan and put my ribs in here to defrost it. In less than an hour, my ribs are now defrosted. It's incredible. You can see the liquid there. The entire pan is ice cold, which keeps your meat from spoiling, but yet it helps with the defrost process. I have no idea how that works, but it's amazing. So I just thought that I would share that with you guys. So I'm going to take the membrane off now. And a lot of people don't know that you need that. Your ribs are going to come out so much better and so much tender, so better and more tender. God, I'm stumbling over my words. If you take the membrane off, I didn't know that for years, and the more I got into Pampered Chef, the more I learned how to become a better self-proclaimed chef. I do not have any training other than my Pampered Chef training. But yeah, so I always say I'm a chef. I'm not a perfect chef. I'm a Pampered Chef. So you could either take your shears or you could take a scissor, and what you want to do is you want to lift up the first portion of the membrane, because then you're going to just start pulling it. So I think you guys can see. Let me just grab something here. Okay, let me try it this way. This side's thicker. Let me get rid of this. And I think you guys can see. I hope I'm close enough for you all to see. And here is my membrane. So I'm going to start just clipping it a little bit, just enough that I can pull it, because that's what you want to do. You want to get your start of it. So it's a little, I'm not going to lie, it's a little annoying at the beginning. And let's see. Let's see if I can get that. And as you can see, once you get it started, you just start pulling. So I wanted to pull all at the same time, so I'm going to try to get this piece too. And you know, also I'm on video here trying to be like extremely careful, you know, or slow, should I say, not careful, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Otherwise I'd be ripping it to shreds about now. Okay, so I'm starting to get it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab something like a cloth or a paper towel so that my hands don't slip off of it, and you just start pulling. See that? I think you guys can see it. See? And you just pull. Yeah, it's not that easy, but you just keep pulling until you come down. See that? Look at that. Yuck! See, that's what you guys were eating. Nobody wants that in there. That prevents the juices from flowing through your spare ribs when you're cooking them. And I'm telling you, they're going to come out so much more flavorful and much more tender. Tenderer? Is that even a word? Tenderer? More tender. And just like that, in less than 3 minutes, you have your membranes off. And that's it. All the membrane is off. I think you guys can see. And I am going to put my rub on here. I'm going to let them sit for about an hour or two, and then I am going to make some delicious root beer ribs in my quick cooker. They're going to be delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tip for today. Have a good day on Sunday Fun Day.